In this video, we'll go over how to use MyAssays' AI-assisted ELISA data analysis tool to build a custom data analysis protocol. This video is part of a series. In the last video, we provided an introduction and overview of the tool, so if you've not viewed that video yet, please see the below link. One of the biggest challenges when setting up data analysis for an ELISA kit is translating the kit manufacturer's instructions into a working data analysis method. Every ELISA kit includes a detailed insert, usually a PDF, describing the curve fitting, calculations, concentrations, and reporting requirements. For this example, I've run an ELISA, for which I don't have a pre-configured data analysis option. Opening the kit insert and scrolling down to the calculations, I can see this assay first requires a blank correction step using the 0 standard, followed by a 4PL fit. My standard concentrations are in this table. To get started with the AI-assisted data analysis tool, I'll navigate to the MyAssays Quantitative Microplate Analysis Builder available at the below link. You can see here the requirements for the MyAssays ELISA protocol builder. We need a kit insert and a publish ID. First, let's get our publish ID. The publish ID is created in MyAssays2.com and informs the analysis builder which account to publish the new ELISA assay to. I'll open MyAssays2.com, logged into my account. These credentials are the same credentials used for MyAssays.com. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free from the below link. I'll open the menu to the left-hand side of the screen and select Generate Publish Token. You can find this option under the Tools. Next, we can select the token period, 1 hour, 24 hours, or 30 days. I'll select 24 hours and press Generate. Once our token has generated, we can copy and paste this into the analysis builder. Next, let's add our ELISA kit insert PDF. I'll select the plus and browse for and select my kit insert PDF. Once it's finished uploading, I'll submit it to the protocol builder using the arrow button to the right-hand side of the screen. Here we can see the extracted assay information, and I'll select Confirm to allow the protocol builder to publish the protocol to my MyAssays2 account, and once the assay is published, I'll select the link to open the assay. Remember that this is an AI-assisted process. AI tools can produce inaccuracies or hallucinations, so the generated assay must always be reviewed and validated against the original kit insert before use. Here we can see the assay name and description extracted from the kit insert. Beneath that, the different sample types. The Measurements tab shows some example measurement data. You can copy and paste your data into the pad directly or use the Choose File option to import your data from a file. The remaining tabs allow you to make run-specific changes to the assay, including updating the plate layout, standard concentrations, adding dilution factors, sample IDs, and run notes. Let's take a closer look at the Standard Concentrations tab. Here we can compare the concentration values against the kit insert concentration values and see that the default values added in this tab do match the values outlined in the kit insert. To review the functionality of this assay, let's also add a dilution factor to unknown 1. I'll enter a dilution factor of 5 for this sample. If we formatted our assay for our specific run, let's go ahead and calculate our results. Our results have been successfully calculated, and we can see our interactive chart and report appearing to the right-hand side of the screen. Opening the interactive chart, we can see the 4PL fit with equations and R-squared value listed below the chart. We can add sample types to the chart by clicking on the sample type at the top of the screen. Minimizing the chart and opening the results, let's check that the calculations are as expected. We've already confirmed the correct curve fit method has been applied, 4PL, so let's check back in the kit insert to confirm our calculations. First, we need to confirm a correction step, subtracting the average of the 0 standard from all other samples on our plate, and then apply a 4PL fit. Finally, specifying any applied dilution factors to return the final concentration. Looking back at our MyAssays2 report, we can see the correction step was performed, The 4PL fit was applied to calculate our concentration values. We can also see an unknown 1. The ×5 dilution factor was successfully applied. With our assay added to MyAssays2.com, we can continue to complete analysis directly online. Share this assay with our colleagues by sharing the assay link, or use the arrow to the right of the assay name to download the assay for use offline with MyAssays desktop. We can also make changes to the assay within MyAssays desktop and republish to MyAssays2.com. This makes sharing the analysis with colleagues that may not have access to MyAssays desktop easy. Once our assay has been created, it is a fully deterministic MyAssays method. It no longer uses AI in any way and is stable, reproducible, and suitable for routine use. If you have any questions about the MyAssays ELISA protocol builder, please email us at support@myassays.com.